Hello everyone. This short video will help you out in understanding how my trainings have helped people from different countries. Over 1100 people who have opted for my training session in different ways. So it's a different video, short video. So I want you to prepare yourself and watch it properly with a proper concentration. Okay. So there are three type of people who have attended my training sessions. Let's divide them in three different. First one is the one who have AML experience. Okay. The second one is the person who have banking experience but do not have AML experience. And the third type of people are working in different other fields of work, working in HR, finance, medicine, medical field, or any other field, engineering or whatever, and they want to move to anti-money laundering. So those people who have the AML experience, they get the AML training from me. And what I have found that generally AML training have helped them in increasing their salary because they apply for job within their different job within or better job within their organization for the appraisal cycle. They are interviewed for the promotion, or they apply for the a different bank and they are able to get a better designation and better salary just over the AML training. So this is helpful for them to get this even when they're doing just the training. And this has helped people, for the training fees they pay for. And these people, when they write the examination, AML certification examination, CAMS examination, or CFCS or ICA diploma, whatever the examination they write, if either their organization is sponsoring for it or they are self-sponsoring, means that they're self-paying for the fees. So they massively improve their career in anti-money laundering if they already have the exposure. So I want you to say that it's both of those help them. If they're just getting the training, if you have the AML experience, this training is going to help you to get a better salary with better job when applying within the organization for the next appraisal cycle, or when you're applying for the different organization. This will help you out, both of those. Of course, both of those going to massively help, but this training also help because I provide you training in a very technical way. And these are if you want to find out that how many people have opted for the training, 1100 over 1100 people. These are the different groups and different participants for the groups, and these are the people from different countries. Majority of those are from these countries. Okay. And so just the training help them out. If you have the banking experience, so the training, you need to get the training and you need to get the certification. So it is for, you need to do both of those to help you out in this situation. Just the training can help you out as well, but in this situation you need to do both of those in order to help you out for the this training session. So let's make it much clearer. So this is this and this. And so in this situation, sometimes just anti-money laundering training can help you out and get a better job. For this, you need to do both of those. No one's going to hire you if you're working in operations or retail. The compliance department is not going to hire you if you do not have the third party approval, third party evaluation, or AML certification, hopefully an international one. That will help you out to get a better job, or within the organization be able to switch a department, get into the compliance department. You need to do both of those. Okay. It's very, very difficult if you never had a banking experience or anti-money laundering experience to get a job just over the training. That's not going to help you. If you're looking for any shortcuts, just paying an amount of money to get the training and thinking that that's going to change your career, or that's not going to happen. You need to get the certification plus the training for you to have any chance to start your career at an entry level. Career in anti-money laundering doesn't matter whatever you have worked in previously, 20 years of experience, 10 years of experience, whatever experiences, you will be starting at an entry level. You will be starting at an intermediary level because you already have the banking experience. Banking is an exclusive field. They do not let you join the club if you never been in a club. So you already is in a club in the banking industry. You will start at a senior analyst level position. If you never have worked in banking or anti-money laundering, you will be starting at an entry level. If you have to do both of these things. And if you have the AML experience, you will be starting after getting the training session and after getting the training session, I've seen people who were as a junior analyst, they were able to get a senior analyst position in America, in India, in USA. Or if you are already in a senior analyst position after the AML training, you are able to get a manager level position. But this manager level position is guaranteed if you have an AML certification as well. So you start with a manager position if you are manager AML, if you are already in having anti-money laundering experience. So these sort of people get the either the organization is sponsoring or paying their fees, who pay the fees. Either the organization is paying their fees or they're self-preparing for it, or in this situation you will be self-paying the fees. In this situation you will be self-sponsoring yourself, self-paying the fees. So if you, whichever situation you are in, you need to and the fees is around $2,000 or something. You have to consider yourself. It takes lots of amount of money these days to in order to be able to change your career, able to improve your banking career, able to improve your AML experience. So you need to be able to prepare yourself, be paying for a large amount of fees, and there is no shortcut these days to be able to get a or change your career these days with a short amount of money. You need to spend your amount of money, and you need to spend lots of amount of money, and you need to spend lots of amount of time. So my training costs lots of amount of time, and the certifications these days cost lots of amount of money as well. So if you're willing to do both of those and willing to do these sacrifices, you can make a resolution for 2023 to be your year to change that, the year 2023. So thinking about that, plan yourself. These days, because of the inflation and recession, it's getting very difficult to, first of all, to get a job. If you are able to somehow get a job, it's getting very difficult to retain the job as well, that job. So you have to do lots of sacrifices, improve your build your hard skills. You have to do lots of sacrifices in spending your weekends, and unable to do whatever you've been doing. You spend lots of amount of time on weekends. You have to spend lots of amount of time on weekdays as well, after working hours, before going to work in the morning as well, to spend time to prepare yourself to learn those hard skills, so that you do all of that to do for what you do, so that you make your profile hireable. Hireable profile means that those you're doing things that are required in the market by the employer, recruiters, headhunters, or those recruiting firms who are looking for those, so that they can hire it for their client. So please start making sacrifices. There is no shortcut for that. If you are willing to do sacrifices, if you're willing to work hard, you can join the training session. If you are looking for shortcuts, please don't bother contacting me. I do not have any shortcuts at all. I've only helped people who are willing to work hard and spend lots of amount of money to get the certification, and willing to afford for me fees as well. That's I've helped people to train to improve their career. There is no any other way for around. If someone is basically giving you any shortcuts, they are basically scamming you. You're gonna find out. That's why I have trained so many people around for many countries, because when I train someone, they refer other people from either their colleagues, either their friends, either the colleagues, either the friends, or their family members, to change their field of work, to change their departments, or to improve their AML experience or AML career or compliance career. So if you're willing to do any of that, you can contact me on WhatsApp or on email. Find out, join the career, start making sacrifices, stop procrastinating, stop delaying, stop laziness. So see you on WhatsApp. Have a good day. Take care.